Rpod is one of the fastest growing RV brands in North America. From our unique design and customer-friendly features to our versatility driven by our lightweight quality construction, there's no question why Rpod is the #1 selling trailer in its class. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice the Rpod advantage. Our 6-foot, 6-inch interior height is the tallest in its class, so you don't have to settle for less comfort. And our standard flush mount LED lighting, strategically placed throughout the camper, not only helps you camp more efficiently, but it lets you see how much more Rpod offers than the competition. Rpod has all the features of a large camper in a smaller, more versatile package. Our 13.5 thousand BTU low-profile air conditioner is controlled by a digital wall thermostat, just like your home, which isn't something all of our competitors can say. And with features like manually adjustable vents to improve your airflow, it is just what you need to keep your family and friends comfortable on those hot summer days and nights. Not to mention, our 20,000 BTU furnace has more than enough power to keep you nice and cozy when the weather cools down. Every Rpod includes Congolium Carefree brand linoleum, specifically engineered to be rugged and durable enough to meet the demands of the active RV lifestyle. Unlike other brands of flooring offered by the majority of our competitors, ours is damage and stain resistant, features a non-stick surface for easy cleaning, and will not shrink like other flooring materials. Not to mention, our flooring is manufactured in the USA and features a 3-year cold cracking warranty, one of the many reasons why Rpod is best in class. Rpod equals convenience. We offer larger holding tanks than any other camper our size, and our 30-gallon black tank standard equipped with a black tank flush will have you never wanting to settle for anything less. We've also made it easy for you to monitor your tank levels and control your water by just the flip of a switch. These are Rpod advantages. At Rpod, we pride ourselves on quality construction. A great example is our made-in-house cabinetry, screwed and glued, not stapled, and featuring full extension drawers with real ball bearing drawer guides, residential recessed hidden hinges, and hardwood cabinet and drawer fronts. Rpod offers a plethora of storage, from pantries with adjustable shelves to countless pull-out drawers, overheads, and uniquely designed cubbies. And all of our cabinetry features brushed nickel, oversized grab handles, not offered by the majority of our competitors. Because of our unique design and best-in-class interior height, we're able to build taller slide-out boxes, and featuring our real wood slide-out fascia will have you looking and feeling better than the rest. The Easy Glide table and our spacious dinettes are a couple more great Rpod features. More stable than pedestal tables used by some of our competitors, completely removable for outdoor use, spring-loaded for easy up and down, the Easy Glide makes converting your dinette to a near queen-size sleeping space quick and effortless. Anywhere we can, we provide additional storage. From dinette storage to underbed storage, we've got you covered. Something often overlooked when buying an RV is your ability to control airflow. Rpod features easy-to-operate slide-open windows equipped with emergency exit technology. Now on those nice cool evenings, you can sleep more comfortably and save a little energy at the same time. Another standard Rpod feature is our pleated nightshades. While the majority of our competition uses cheap mini blinds, we choose to provide our customers with a quality feature. Our nightshades provide more privacy and make it easier to sleep whenever you choose. It's your vacation. Let us help you enjoy it. And speaking of a good night's sleep, our near queen-size bed offered in many of our floor plans will have you feeling right at home. Tired of those small bunks you've settled for in other campers? Not anymore. Rpod bunk models feature 24-inch wide oversized bunks with convenient storage options, another Rpod advantage. At Rpod, we don't cut corners on quality. That is why all of our TV and audio equipment is name brand and specifically designed for the RV industry. Our 24-inch Jensen LED TVs, conveniently mounted on a swing arm bracket for easier use, were specifically designed to embrace road shock. Unlike the majority of our competition who offer names you haven't heard of, we provided accessories proven to maintain their quality. Our Jensen Bluetooth stereo, standard in every Rpod, has a built-in radio, CD, DVD player, and can be easily paired with your smartphone for easy listening on the go. Now you can take advantage of our high-quality, multi-zone speaker system both inside and outside your camper without moving a muscle. Our new USB charging port makes keeping you connected a breeze. Whether you're charging your phone or tablet, we've made it easy. Another key feature by Rpod is our versatile bathroom designs. Just enter through our sleek shaker-style door with residential lever handle, pull open our new dry-fit shower curtain, and see why Rpod is one of the most followed brands in the industry today. Our convenient all-in-one wet bath features a stand-up shower with adjustable shower head, toilet, sink, and easy access to storage pockets. Our new dry bath models offer a separate toilet, sink, and walk-in shower, as well as a plethora of convenient storage options. Our goal is to make your camping experience easier, and there's no telling what we'll do next. Did we mention all Rpods come standard with our 4-speed max air fan? Rpod has better standard features than any other camper in our segment. That is the Rpod advantage. Here are a few more Rpod advantages. Our suburban recessed 2-burner range with glass cover and stainless steel undermount sink will have you feeling like you're in your own kitchen. Always wishing for more counter space? Our glass stove cover and flush mount matching sink cover will provide you with an extra amount of counter space not offered by our competitors. Unlike other copycat brands, we'll take the extra step and keep providing you with more better quality features. Here's something you won't find in other campers this size: seamless countertops. Rpod offers more counter space than our competition and features scratch-resistant, stain-resistant, and chip-resistant Surfex countertops. In addition, Rpod offers all brushed nickel accessories seen here in our high-rise gooseneck kitchen faucet. Don't settle for a camper destined for quality issues. Relax and enjoy your camping experience with us. We even offer a stainless steel convection microwave with the ability to grill, pop popcorn, or even bake a cake. And with our 3.7 cubic foot gas, electric, or 12-volt refrigerator, we've got you ready to hit the road and enjoy life on the go. With all the look-alike brands out there, just ask yourself one question: do you want better quality construction and features or not? Because with Rpod, that's what you'll get. Discover the Rpod advantage.